Good morning, kids. Welcome to our unit class. Okay, for today I am so glad, happy, because you are learning so many things and you are learning how to be balanced, how to prepare some products and etc., etc. Well, for today we are going to start the class with a video of yoga class. Okay, so let's see and practice. Go ahead. Now that you have already seen the video and practiced yoga exercises, we are going to continue with our science class. In this class, we are going to learn new concepts. And these new concepts are related to the nature we are surrounded by, okay? So let's see. The first concept that we are going to learn is about nature. So the objective for today is to learn how industrial processes transform natural materials to get new products. But how's that possible, Miss Patty? Well, it's easy peasy, okay? So from nature, we get natural resources. What's that? Okay, let's see these new concepts. The first one is nature. What is nature? Well, nature are all the plants, creatures, and things that exist around the world and that are not made by people, okay? And what are natural resources? Well, natural resources are minerals, forests, plants, etc., that exist in our world, in a place, and they can be used by people. So what happened with these natural resources? Well, easy peasy. We're going to use these natural resources in order to follow industrial process, to follow a series of actions or steps to get a new product. Oh, can you tell me more about that, Miss Patty? Yes, of course. Or can you give me one example of one industrial process? Yes, it is. I can give you one beautiful and excellent example. So let's see. This example is using sugarcane, caña de azúcar. The sugarcane is cut like this in small slices, and these slices go to the industry, go to an enterprise, and in this enterprise they produce sugar. So here you have the sugar cane, here you have the slices, and here you have the sugar that is produced in this enterprise. Now, what happened with this sugar? Well, of course, you can use this sugar for producing candies, donuts, and gummies and something like that, okay? That means that industries transform natural resources into new products. Okay, is it clear? Industries transform natural resources in new products. Wow, that means that transformation is similar to this word change, become different, and in some cases, this transformation or this change is to improve something or to improve a product. Okay, now transformation also means that sometimes you need to add or sometimes you need to mix some products for getting new products. Okay, excuse me because I am repeating the word products, but you are going to mix or add items or ingredients in order to produce a new product. So for example, flour, butter, sugar, eggs, and chocolate powder, when you mix all of them in a big bowl, you can produce a cake. Now, let's see a video, because in this video we are going to see how bread is produced and how can you produce bread at home, okay? Now, after this video, you are going to develop a worksheet that you will have in your agenda. Kisses for you all. Bye. See you.